Okay, so this is a short one. If you want to just use sound from your Ntrack, you don't want to use external sound, so you've downloaded Ntrack. So let me close this one. Right. So now, not doing volume. Okay, so you just come to plus here. You click instrument, so you can pick any of this, and let's pick electric roads. So this is from Ntrack, and it's not bad. Right. Right. So you can see it has split also. This is not the sound from the keyboard though. You can see it has split also, and this is just from Ntrack. You can see the bass, right? So a lot of people that have been asking me, does it have split? Does it have split? I've confirmed to you that it has split now. So right. So you can see that. So follow me for more. These are some of the OTG you can use, and this is the cable also to connect. Right, you can see that to your phone. Right, so follow me for more. Thank you. Johnson Kiss here. Bye. Bye.